Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Natural Living by Enovi, where I show you how easy it is to prepare your favorite meals, baked items, smoothies, healthy juices, and some vegan meals too. My focus is always on a healthy lifestyle, so check out my videos on healthy lifestyle tips, self-care, home care, jewelry making, and discussions on how to maintain a positive mindset. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks for watching. Yeah, man. Hi, everyone. I'm starting off with some frozen bananas. I usually, if my bananas are getting too ripe, I don't want them to spoil, so I just freeze them. So I find it easier to put them in a plastic wrap because then I don't have anything to wash out. Or I might also it's easier to pack it in the fridge. You know, sometimes my fridge gets so filled up, especially around the holiday seasons when I'm going to do a lot of cooking. So sometimes I put them in containers, sometimes I don't, but it's easier for me right now to just put them in some plastic wraps. So I'm going to take one frozen banana. So let me get my knife. So I'm going to cut the banana up and put it in my smoothie cup. Okay, the next step, I'm gonna add some oats. I'm gonna make this a fully vegan smoothie, but you don't have to make it fully vegan. I'm just showing you how you can make it fully vegan. So especially if you're like fasting after the holidays or so, this is a good way to break your fast. So I'm gonna add, I don't like my smoothie too extra thick, like I'm gonna have all the nuts. So I'm putting 2 level tablespoons of oats in it. I'm using the old-fashioned oats because I love the flavor. And I'm gonna add some coconut. This is what is gonna make it give me the creaminess I want without using milk. So you can use milk instead of the water. But I'm gonna use the coconut powder, or if you have the actual coconut, freshly squeezed coconut, that's good. So I'm using 2 tablespoons. Let me use a tablespoon and a half, not too much. And you can also add some protein powder if you want, if you have the vegetable protein powder, the vegan protein powder, you can add that too. Or if you want to add your regular milk-based whey protein, you can do that. So this is a fully nuts smoothie because we're gonna have a lot of protein, right? Because we're getting all our protein from nuts today. So let me put them out so you can see everything before I put them inside the cup. I'm gonna use a couple walnuts. I'm gonna use about 2. Okay, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of flax seeds. You can put it directly in the cup. I'm just doing it here so I can take my photos after. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are very good for you. They get rid of the parasites in your stomach. They're very, very healthy. And I'm gonna add a couple almonds. I'm gonna add about, they say you should have about 8 almonds per day. Since I'm having all the other nuts, maybe I could use less, but I'm still gonna use them since I'm not using any almond milk, because sometimes I use almond milk as my base. And I'm gonna add, I just have a couple cashews here, so I'm gonna add just about 4. So you can go more if you want, less if you want. And I'm gonna add a little cinnamon, about let me see, I would say about a 1/4 teaspoon or less. about a 1/8 teaspoon cinnamon powder. And last but not least, I'm gonna add some grated nutmeg. So let me just, I'm gonna take a photo, that's why I am doing all of this here. So let's pause a little. Nutmeg is completely optional. I'm just doing that because I love nutmeg. So just a little bit, maybe about a 1/8 teaspoon or even less, because it's very flavorful. You don't need a lot. And it said you shouldn't have too much nutmeg either, just a little. So this is about this is about a 1/4 teaspoon. So I'm not going to use all of that. I'm going to use up just like about a 1/8 teaspoon of the nutmeg. Okay, so now I'm going to put everything in my smoothie cup. So remember, you can put everything in your smoothie cup as you go along. So I'm going to put in my almonds, cashew, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, and cinnamon. So I'm gonna add my water. This is 1 cup of water. I don't want it to be too full because you have to leave space in the cup. If you don't have enough space in the cups, the items won't blend properly, right? So it's always, you must always leave a little space in the smoothie cup. Alright, so let's blend. So I'm gonna put on my smoothie cup on the blender. And now I'm gonna blend. So I just put the smoothie cup on the blender. So now I'm gonna blend. Oh. See how powerful this blender is? So it depends on how much you want it to be blended. If you want it very fine, I like mine with a little bite, but I still blend it a little more. So I'm gonna, so you can add ice if you want, but I don't want any ice in my smoothie because I don't think my first meal of the day should be too cold, and the banana is already cold. I shouldn't even, normally I wouldn't even have used a frozen banana. I've had my tea already, so this is gonna be my first meal for the day. This is really nice and thick and creamy, really delicious. And yeah, so try it and let me know if you enjoy it. So this is my oats and nut smoothie. It is totally vegan. I used vegan base for the creaminess. So this is perfectly healthy if you're going on a no meat diet or you just want something extra healthy. And it is a complete meal all by itself.